y'all, so it's cupofchi here, and today I'm going to show you guys how I made my own KeithandJames inspired fedora hat. These are the materials that I'll be using. I actually first saw this hat a few seasons ago on Love and Hip Hop, and I saw Rashida wearing it, and I thought it was just so cute. But when I found out that they were almost $500, I kept telling myself I was gonna either make it myself or find one cheaper. But this is the hat. This is an old thrifted hat. If you follow my Instagram, you've seen me wear this hat so many times. I've had it for a couple of years. So if you're gonna make your own, just make sure you get an old hat that you don't mind practicing on. I also got some fabric glue from the craft store, some scissors, and some red fabric. Okay, so I'm just preparing to get started. Oh, what do we have there? Some cookies. Yeah, I love snacks, obviously. So I got a little dry erase marker just from around the house, and I'm gonna trace the inside of the hat so I can know where to cut. And I also decided that I'm not going to talk anymore in this video, so just watch, and if you have some questions, leave them below. Thank you. Okay, so the next morning, I noticed that I didn't like how the trim was looking, so I got a marker, and I actually ended up using a black Sharpie instead of this washable marker. But I kind of just drew around the trim to kind of like give it like a black border, so it wouldn't look just so, I don't know. I wanted to make it look kind of neater, especially since I did not sew any of this. But you'll see the end result soon.